Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Plants vs Zombies game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device. And if you're opening for the first time, you will be asked to enter your date of birth. Just enter the year and month, and then tap on the accept button. And now you can set up your username right away. After setting up your username, you can now immediately start playing the adventure mode. At first, you will need to complete the basic tutorial level, which will explain you the basic mechanisms of the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up or log in order to start playing the Plants vs Zombies game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.